Hello there again, everybody. David again, right here with one of the tutorials that I've been posting on YouTube, as it's been the custom this last few weeks. This is a new video that I'm posting on Wednesdays, mostly, and today we're going to discuss again MikroTik, one of the topics that has been bringing the attentions of all my subscribers who have been asking for new videos on MikroTik. So this time around we will be talking about MikroTik and public key authentication. As you know, MikroTik Router OS is just a hardly customized Linux operating system. So it does support SSH for managing the console, the command line interface, through the secure protocol, which is SSH. So how many of you have wondered, how cool would it be to be able to use passwordless authentication? As you can see on the description down there, you can see the video which I made a few years ago about doing the same thing on Linux. Well, this time we're going to do it on MikroTik. Yeah, just using your regular PuBlicKey or from within Linux or Mac OS or what have you. So you do not have to type the password every time you want to log into your MikroTik. So enough talk, let's get to it. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to create a new user to whom which we will grant access through the passwordless authentication. So let's add a new user. This user is going to be called demo. It's going to have read permissions. It's going to have a very secure password, and we're going to let's give him full access, because I will need to write a file to the files to the Router OS file system. So we create a user demo with a very strong password of password. We need to once again open a new Winbox to this same router. This time we're going to use demo. You have to be logged in as the user that you want to grant passwordless access to. So then we need to go to PuBlicKey and use the PuBlicKey gen. This is if you are in Windows. If you are within Linux, you can just go and use SSH keygen, which I'm not gonna do because this is a production machine. We're going to generate a key. Let's see, this is RSA key. So we're going to generate, and to generate entropy, I'm gonna type on my keyboard, move the mouse around this gray area right here. So we get enough entropy. Yeah, that was too far. So we're getting close, and there we go. We have our RSA key. I'm gonna use this MikroTik demo RSA key. Let's not use a passphrase, and then you have to export open SSH key. Are you sure you want to export without a passphrase? Yes, because this is a test. So MikroTik demo. Let's call that key. Good. So now we export this. Okay, here we go. We drag and drop this key onto our MikroTik. So it should be right around here, MikroTik demo key. And then we go into the users. We go into the SSH keys, and we have to import this for the user. We are logged in as, which is demo. Here we go, the last one. So we import the SSH key. As you see, it's here. So now we're going to connect through SSH by using PublicKey. So we need to create a new profile. You open your terminal client. In my case, Windows, I'm using PublicKey. So SSH, then you go to Auth, and then you choose the key that you had inside video. And for that thing to work, you need to export the private key. I'm gonna export that key to video, MikroTik demo, and it will export a PPK as you see it right here. We're gonna choose that. That was a quick one. Then we go to the session and we input router's IP address to reach the SSH port, which is in 22. Login, demo, and we're right in. No password. That's the magic of using public key authentication. Okay, so as you can see, we're inside our MikroTik CLI without a password. So if you enjoyed the video, please comment, rate, subscribe, and remember that DGH VoIP, we are certified MikroTik training partner and MikroTik certified academy. So feel free to give us a call at 213-632-8479. That's 213-632-8479, or contact us at info@dghvoip. That's dghvoip.com. Thanks for watching and have a good one.